So hello everyone, now we are eating breakfast. Now it's the second day and now we are eating our breakfast. So let's go and let's see what's there. So now we finished our breakfast and now we are just relaxing.
So now we are going to the Wilson Point. This is one of the points at Mahabaleshwar, from where you can see nature's beauty and scenery from a top view. So let's go there, meet you up there. So now we have come to Wilson Point, and this is like a big landscape here.
And you know what? I will show you a beautiful yellow flower which I saw while climbing the steps. Come, show you. Look at this. So beautiful. See. And look at that cute little horse. Even I'm And this is the horsey. See, he's very soft. Oh, he's very soft. नाही नको मला जायचं. And now a beautiful view from here. Now we are going downstairs of the mountain. Let's go now.
Now we are planning to go to Mahabaleshwar market.
To do some shopping.
You will see lots of wooden items here. Lots of Kolhapuri chappal and wooden showpieces. Lot of jelly chocolates. And then here you have your strawberry cream.
So now we are taking some juice. We came in Gopro market, taking some juice. The dish is ready. Let's have lunch. Let's come. It's ready. So we just now finished our lunch and now we are just walking because बहुत heavy हो गया और बहुत हम लोग ने खाया. And look at these monkeys over here up. The walkies, बहुत सारे monkeys आए थे morning को भी और अभी भी आए हैं और they constantly walking there. पीछे ही नहीं छोड़ रहे हमारे. करेक्ट. और आज आज क्लास है 4 o'clock को कोडिंग का क्लास है. उसके बाद हम लोग वापस घूमने जाएंगे. राइट?
यस.
ओके. ओह वाओ, लुक एट दिस रोज. रोज को तो देखो ना, फूक गया है और भी बर्ड्स आ गए. आउच. जस्ट वॉकिंग एंड हैविंग फन. Now we are going to Sunset Point. Okay, so this is the way to go to Sunset Point. Let's go.
बस काय थोडं तिखट.
हा थोडंसं टाक.
You know, I have a big surprise for you. But I'll give you one hint. Something is there that makes Mahabaleshwar very popular. Think. It's in red in color. Guess? Yes, it's strawberry. Let's eat it. Very tasty. It's very sweet.